What an incredible challenge we've had here at the Grand Hyatt in Goa. Gentlemen, I'd like to say thank you once again. Stefan, Glenn and Mark, it's been quite an outstanding experience for, I think, all our contestants. Aapko maza aaya? Stefan, what did you think of the food that these 4 contestants plated in front of you?
I think you have done an amazing job today, and for me what is really close to my heart is the passion that you are showing. I think the food was great, some of it was fantastic, but the passion, that's what I really take with me today.
Mark, the 4 mentors have done an exceptional job with the captain's crew. What was it like with the crew in the kitchen?
They went away and they really thought about and they really listened to the mentors. That lamb dish, Ali, perfect. One of my favorites, honestly.
Will we be seeing that lamb dish on a menu at the Hyatt anytime soon?
Pretty soon, yeah? Pretty soon, yeah?
Wow, Ali, well done. Gentlemen, thank you so much, and it's been a pleasure being with you here at the Hyatt, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Captain, now that the gentlemen from the Hyatt have left us, would you like to say something to your crew about their performance in this challenge today?
I would. Stefan said, and Mark, passion was at the core of this day. So that connectedness, the trust, trusting that passion and who you are, applying that, putting it into the food.
Guys, जो आपने पिछले 24 घंटों में किया है, यहाँ पर Hyatt में दाग देनी पड़ेगी. Really, it's been exceptional. आप चारों में से कोई भी कैप्टन के शैक चलाने के लायक है, मगर हमारे फिनाले में सिर्फ 2 लोग जाएंगे और 2 लोग अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी यहां से कास्टअवे होकर घर चले जाएंगे. The first name of the captain's crew that goes into our finale is Sonika. Sonika, expect नहीं किया था आपने?
Not at all. क्योंकि ये चैलेंज मेरे लिए सबसे डिफिकल्ट चैलेंज था and I didn't think I'd cross it.
Sonika, if there's only one thing that's slightly lacking in you,
Confidence.
I think she said it too. I think it's time you started believing in yourself. अब मैं उस व्यक्ति का नाम लूंगा जो कास्टअवे होकर कैप्टन शैक को छोड़ रहे हैं. The person who's leaving us today is Pankaj. Pankaj, there is no doubt कि 15 contestants में से आपसे अच्छा cook यहाँ पे नहीं है. But unfortunately today, we needed just a little more. But you've been a worthy competitor and a worthy member of the captain's crew. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I don't always take on favorites, but you are one of the captain's favorites.
Thank you, Captain.
I've enjoyed the little time that we've had together.
जैसे कि समंदर की आवाज हर समय उस शंख के अंदर होती है. We hope that your dreams live on forever. Thank you for being with us on the show. अमी और अली, देखा जाए तो सारे कंपटीशन में आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. The crew member going into our finale is Ami. Congratulations, Ami. And Ali, unfortunately, आप हमें छोड़ने वाले हैं. I do believe, Ali, that one of the greatest things that you will take away from the show is knowing कि जो डिश आपने यहाँ पे ग्रैंड हायट गोवा में बनाया है, वो बहुत ही जल्दी एक ग्रैंड हायट के मेन्यू पे दिखने वाला है. Step forward, please. जो शंख आपको मिल रहा है, keep it close to you, and every time you lose your way, don't forget that like the sound of the ocean in the shell, your dreams will live on forever. This is a very pleasant sight. Girl power, 24-hour. Fantastic, girls. Congratulations.
Thank you.
आप दोनों हमारे MTV Captain Shack के finalists हो. But I also have some news for the two of you. कल से MTV Captain Shack is going to go fully live, fully operational, fully functional. मतलब कल से आप real customers को serve करने वाले हो. I hope you can get geared up for it because you've got less than 24 hours. Get out of your whites और मैं आपको मिलता हूँ back at the MTV Captain Shack on Kandalum Beach.
See you on the beach.
I'm finalist. मैं नहीं सोची थी कि मैं फिनाले पहुंचूंगी. Especially 2 girls in the finale, not at all.
How it goes, I just want to do my best tomorrow और कैसा भी जाए मुझे बस अच्छा करना है challenge. Sonika might perform fantastic also. कोई भी जीत सकता है पर let's see how it goes.
Welcome to the finale of the MTV Captain Shack. How does it feel? कैसा लग रहा आप दोनों को?
Very cool, yeah. I mean, पहले तो मैं nervous थी challenge खत्म होने के बाद and then I was like, चल जो भी हो जाए, we'll just go with it, yeah. Like we've come till here and it's good. And then we won and then it felt awesome and.
आप दोनों ने बहुत सिखाया है इस जर्नी पे. तो each and every challenge से मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीखी हूँ. उसको लेके experience को मिला के I think I can run the shack.
ये हमारा भी इंटेंशन था कि आप जितने भी चैलेंजेस से गुजरो वहां से आप कुछ सीखो, कुछ लर्न करो, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले ताकि इस आखिरी चैलेंज में टू क्रॉस दिस फाइनल हर्डल आप वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन, जानकारी, लोकल नॉलेज को यूज कर पाओ इस चैलेंज को क्रॉस करने के लिए. इस शैक को चलाने के लिए हमने आपके लिए गोवा से एक क्रू हायर किया जो आपकी मदद करेगा. वेटर्स, बारटेंडर्स, शेफ्स, क्लीनिंग बॉयज. आई थिंक यू शुड मीट योर क्रू नाउ. Let's get them here. Let's get the crew in.
I was extremely happy to see Shashank.
जब मैंने देखा कि सोनिका one of the finalists है and I was over the moon.
It's all hands on deck. It's nice to see a crowded boat again.
It certainly is a full ship. Welcome back to the show, everyone. You're no longer the captain's crew. आप सब हो अभी अमी और सोनिका के crew. आप सबको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप सबके सामने एक आखिरी चैलेंज है और ये चैलेंज को फेस करेंगे अमी और सोनिका. उनका चैलेंज है इस शैक को चलाना और चलाने के लिए उनको आपकी मदद की जरूरत है.
उन्हें अलग से कोई क्रू नहीं मिलेगा. हम लोग जो हारे हुए कंटेस्टेंट हैं वही उनका क्रू होने वाले थे. तो उनके अजीब लगा यार कि यहाँ पे कमाई कुछ होनी नहीं है, अपना कुछ लाभ है नहीं, ताली मारने के लिए आ गए.
ये शैक 2 दिन के लिए चला जाएगा, दोपहर 12 बजे से शाम के 7 बजे तक. बट देयर इज अ कैच. जो शैक को पहले चलाएगा पहले दिन पर उनको थोड़ा ज्यादा बाउंटी दी जाएगी एंड दे विल आल्सो हैव अ फ्रेश क्रू. जो दूसरे दिन चलाएगा उनको कम बाउंटी मिलेगा एंड द क्रू विल बी टायर्ड, मगर उनको प्लानिंग के लिए ज्यादा वक्त मिलेगा. सोनिका एंड आमी सामने आइए प्लीज. सोनिका, ग्रैंड हाइट के चैलेंज में पॉइंट्स के अनुसार आप उस चैलेंज को जीत गई थी.
I was shocked again because I certainly didn't think I was going to win a challenge that I thought I was going to lose and go home for.
Which is why you get the first choice of whether you want to go on day 1 with more bounty and a fresher crew or day 2 with less bounty, a tired crew but more time for planning.
मैं अंदर चाह रहा था कि सोनिका बोली वो सेकंड जाए क्योंकि लॉजिकली सेकंड जाना बेटर है क्योंकि आप सीख सकते हो कि पहले कंटेस्टेंट ने क्या गलतियाँ की हैं.
Day 2. मैंने second day choose किया क्योंकि I'd rather have more time to think than have more money.
मेरे पास एक एडवांटेज है कि मुझे शायद एक्स्ट्रा कैश मिल रहा है उससे ज़्यादा बट still I think it's quite a disadvantage.
You've all showed true captain qualities, determination, cleverness, and now you have 2 great captains in Sonika and Ami. So follow their orders.
Sonika and Ami, I believe you've got a lot of work on hand and you just have one evening to put some basic ideas together. So the captain and I won't take any more of your time. It's time for you to go back to your crew and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good luck. Fair winds to you.
This shack has been built by all 15 of you. And 13 of you are going to choose who wins the MTV Captain Shack. Your time starts now!
The winner of the MTV Captain's Shack is